making salted caramel granola. This is a super easy recipe to make and it is a great little snack to have in the cupboard. So what you need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way salted caramel protein powder. I've got 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, 1/2 cup of chia seeds, 1/2 cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of rolled oats, and 1/2 cup of cashew nuts, which I have roughly chopped. Now to make it, it's super easy. All you need to do is chuck all of the ingredients into a mixing bowl, mix it until it's well combined, and then pop it into a lined baking tray. Make 1 nice layer of the mixture and then pop it into the oven, which has been preheating at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes.